Ngizilahlela kuwe baba, kuwe baba. Ngizilahlela kuwe baba, kuwe baba. Ngizilahlela kuwe.
I'm still going to introduce myself formally a little bit later on. Feel free. We are all here to learn, to groom one another. It's an open plan for you to say your views, anything you'd like to add, any questions, because we're here to help one another. Okay. So, Sankulu Zulu, Xhosa, whatever.
No.
So, so just feel free, any language that you speak, we're all Africans, it's welcome. I'm gonna start with the welcoming notes. Just bear with me. So, Mr. Monami has given us this venue, you guys know him. And then also, your office lab guys is available when you guys are looking to host functions like this, as in Season Parati. They definitely look forward to helping abantu that want to do development in the community. Our prestigious guest, Mr. Menzi Kumalo, is here with us today. Thank you so much. It's nice. So, as I said, this is an open plan. It's people that are looking to start something or grow their businesses. And so, you might know something that I don't know, or I might know something that some of you know. So I would like for us just to warm up the room. Just introduce it one by one. Just tell us who you are, what you do, and then anything that you'd like to add on that, we just go around just to warm up. Okay, so which side can I start from?
My name is Let's Nada. I'm a content producer on Vibe FM. With me is Mr. Kumalo. I'm a motivational speaker, also I'm an MC of the events. Yes, so I'm here to be a part of this event. Hopefully I will learn a lot because I'm one of the people who want to get into an entrepreneurship industrial space.
Sanibonani, igama lami ngiyozama ukuhlala kanzama. Iqhamuka eNyathi, 08. You currently now we're from OSS. Sisebenzisana kakhulu nomphakathi ukulekelela ekutheni ufeze amaphawu in businesses. So that is why I'm here to learn more about ukubasiza bakwazi ukustart up ama-business abo.
Sorry for coming in late. Currently, I'll describe myself as a community developer. From a young age, I have an organization that is running called SRMG Foundation. You can look it up on Facebook, Instagram, where what we're really trying to do is we're trying to develop systems and structures because we can see the current systems and structures that are being utilized in our societies, as in Umlazi, even the name Umlazi and how it was structured on itself is a mental stronghold. So,
You know that.
Sorry?
I didn't know, that's interesting.
Yeah, the build up of a place describes the mentality of that region. So you think to the level of that place. So currently through the efforts of trying to develop Mpagati, I met up with Mr. Bonambi and I'm currently in a program. I'm a facilitator in this place where we help entrepreneurs. We're currently doing recruitment for entrepreneurs, someone who has an idea, who wants to develop that idea and grow it so that we might put you in a panel full of investors, some people to fund you and set you up for your entrepreneurial idea or something that you've started already. Thank you.
I'm ngisuke eChester ngokuhlala but ngomsebenzi la eMasipala SPD ADM thena manje ngizozwa umuntu alela ngelela ukuthi akuyaphi lezinto zamabhizinisi mhlawumbe khona ngingasisa
Kuno kumbuzo kwamfisi lo thithani kwa SDP ngokuhlala ngihlala eClear Estate. So namhlanje ngithe mandibe part yale meeting since ndingumuntu othanda ibhizinesi ngithande nje uba ndizomamela mhlawumbe ndingagaina something.
Igama lami nguSisethu Xoleka Kashe ngokuhlala ngise-Clear Estate. Ndi-intern e-SDB MBA. Nami ndithe mandize ngoba kaloku akufuneka ujonge ngaleyiwakhe xa ungumuntu kufuneka isabana zonke.
I'm really from the state. If you like following intern ABM, just want to learn about small businesses.
Nonganyezi Ngidi. I've got Nonganyezi Projects, which is a recruitment agency, and it does also business support services. And I've got an NPO, the Awesome Futures Program, that does awareness programs.
I do business on the side. A founder of a non-profit is called Inogusa, Support for Disabled People. Yeah, that's who I am. Like Mubasi Lanaje, we're excited to be here. I do a lot of TikTok videos where I talk to people about starting a business and challenges that people face when it comes to businesses. So that's who I am. Yeah, well.
I'm into microfinance, so I just registered the business Excel Finance. But at the moment I'm here to learn and to make connections. So I'm going to advertise my radio and so on.
I come from a revival enterprise whereby we're actually doing a pads drive, sanitary pads drive for women. Basically finishing in poverty. It's actually an organic pad whereby for women such as myself, about very extreme period pains, or I'm a scare of cancer, which is cervical cancer, all of those things. So basically the pad is all about that, and this is distributed to a lady. And then you also do debt review removal for people by mistake under the from actually maybe getting that car one day, so success will keep alive. Yeah, basically that's me, and my dream, the reason I'm here is to learn more about the AI, work smartly, and one day have my own channel, television channel. So
Office of the Head. So okay, I didn't know about these classes, but like saying, and I also have a business that is registered. But I start my problems with my fans, and I close it. It's a meat business. It's providing meat for people, like selling meat.
Chicken, beef.
Yes, beef.
Okay. Okay, thanks guys, that went well. Welcome all of you, and thank you so much for opening yourselves up to us, telling us about who you are, and congratulations to each and every one of you for starting something, your businesses that you have initiated, your organizations, anything that you guys have started. It's a beautiful journey that you have embarked on. It's different from someone who's doing absolutely nothing, because at the end of the day, if things don't go well, let's say maybe you are at your 9 to 5 and then something like COVID comes again, a lot of people didn't have anything to fall back onto during COVID, but now we had to learn in hard ways, and we're open-minded. So it's a good thing that you have started something, and your business journey will continue to grow. And people like Usis that are doing AMA recruitment, I heard some beautiful things that you guys are doing. You are like welcoming more people to develop a community, in youth especially, and I just want to
when it comes to business, I know that many people can register their companies, but in the Bashaga Kulu is maintaining it and running it. In the Kulu is marketing and branding their businesses. Company or have a business, struggle. Do you get sponsors, do you get partnership, who may struggle, So I love the fact that Usiso MTN, the work at Hazanaila, spoke exactly what was needed. Take a chance and hit it. So I'm going to on business wise, kuya kanjani. But the first thing engizoyicela ukuthi, can I take questions from you? Because angeke ngize la ngixoxe mina like I'm dictating something to you. Ngingazi noma do you need that information here. So when it comes to your business, when uzazi with what you're struggling with, khona umuntu mhlawumbe struggling ukuthi I want to start but ngiyasaba ukuthi mangiqala ibhizinisi mhlawumbe lizofail. Khona umuntu ozothi ngiyaqala ukuthi when I start something ngiyazi nginamahloni ngiyasaba ukuhlala nabantu siphekane siye phambili yabona. So mina personally ngumenzi Nxumalo, I started my acting gig with Gomora, with Mbeu. I did last year, I did Uzalo, I did Smoke and Mirrors, Ukolog. So right now we're on Smoke and Dlamini season 2. Guys, we're So we're doing Smoke and Dlamini season 2, so which I'm quite excited about it. I've partnered with MTN, but being MTN Loga Tuguza. Since I'm a sanitary pads drive, that's what I do. But when I collect those sanitary pads drive, I usually hand it out to my grade 7 girls. Okay. So I target them. So mangi yako na ambisi roll on, ambisi perfume, and my sanitary pads. Roll on it's on the show uti Univia or shower to shower. Somebody standard. I love them, I guess.
Alright.
So that's how we go. So for me now, putting Kobe and Anza way too. I'll be happy if you can, if you have any questions about. Because when it comes to business, social media is your key friend. Yeah. But not WhatsApp. Yeah, well, WhatsApp is a good because you'll post something about it, it's like a comment. Yeah, so I want to say don't push your business on WhatsApp, but push your business on a platform. Your Facebook, I'm a cool one. So TikTok is our best friend who pep with. Yeah, well, TikTok and your moderate and whatever that you post on TikTok. Yeah, well, and the feedback is always positive. Yeah, so now what's now in your business, so Lord, you can't have a business less alone, but to land it doesn't work. So the people that you must follow on your social media, it's people that are hamsan and influencer. So yeah, well, so if your business deals with hair, who land available to people, but your target audience is who. Yeah, well, so you can't have a business when it's let's say ukuluma sunglasses, you want people to start wearing them. Your target audience should be legging nine because they always wanna, look good. So that's where it should be. So they register companies and then literally company because now where to after that? Because how to market your business, how to brand your business. And of course every bank, every insurance company, every business, they must give back to your business. Same as your organization. Organization must benefit from a certain business. Companies are looking for brands to associate with. So one organization, I'm a company out there looking for you. They're tired of giving abelum, sorry to say that. Now they want to give back. And go in Malukshi. And literally some people will say that, no, can we do it in town, eh? Yeah, town I think is something Lukshi. And I'll take a balloon before Lukshi. I'm going to listen after that, Joe. Yeah, so I always say that with business when you get home, if you have an organization, start Googling companies. Even MTN themselves, they want to do something for Mandela Day. Every company is forced. About you when you to do something for Mandela Day. Mandela Day, when I'm about 6, it's about donating a wheelchair like I don't know them, but I just post them. And if you know someone that needs a wheelchair, let me know. Wow. So it's about donating 6 wheelchairs. It's money as a food vouchers. I'm not talking about Uguda. It's money as a food voucher card, like a box, worth 2.5 each. So yes, Hambela we're not telling it's cut circle because we're trying to minus the mentality about which so let them go buy at their own pace. So that's what we do. Because last year we did it, we didn't get any water, we gave them 3,000 rand each food voucher and a wheelchair. So that's what we do. But in everyone supports our local if when it's unless God is watching it. Yeah. So if there's any questions you guys might have, even on radio for business, you're most welcome to have come through. We give you a radio interview. He's the producer. I'm the guy that talks. So he does the whole behind the scenes. So Marco and Yavandabati, like MTN himself, if they have others, here's my guy. Makoni Slava Foods was promoted on the show. You're most welcome to come through. Yeah, but yeah, come through. We'll give you airtime, all to tell us about your product. Nani guys for free, whatever time you guys are. So, but we do radio it on Sunday. We play grown-up music. Yeah, also. Yeah, so we don't do it home, so we play grown-up music. So if anyone have any questions or something, or they feel like they want to brand or work, we TikTok's in the time, but we post a video, goes viral. Right now we bypass 500,000. Eh? Yeah, Lapas guys is dancing, we just talk. So and we get companies coming through, say let's market tail, and we do that. Just hold it, a video. Guys, no, just one band, and that video goes viral and the person makes money. So that's how we go.
Right.
Sure.
Someone on behalf of Paradise, because I know Pakona Bandalomos.
Okay.
For Abandabanama organization, the same company they want to get funding from certain companies.
Yeah.
Which doors should they focus on is the government sectors or private sectors? And also which terms they should use what depends in their immediately serious. Because some of us will say we want a sponsor, but you guys not please to get a sponsor. Please
Many people make a mistake when they are applying for funding. They say they want a sponsor. When you want a sponsor, it's like you say, a company must give you money, but again, and when you're saying partner, you mean a company must help you, but they're benefiting something out of this. So those are the words. Who sponsor? You shouldn't use sponsor. You should use the word partner. I want to partner with you. In return, this is what you get. So University is a host at Nifli Market, like Kugudamini Park. We're inviting all organizations, we're inviting all businesses. And they are showing email here to this is what we have. It's hosted flea market. For you, this is what you get. We're bringing client to you. Instead of you saying to people, I'm not going to stop to you in Kwakle. But when you see me and when they're safe, you can come to me and say, because you see me in an environment that I just safe. So those are the words that people, they use the word sponsor instead of partner. Nanoguchi, your target, if you're doing gender-based violence, BMW can even give you a car, like literally. Yeah, you can go to BMW, push the envelope. Don't doubt yourself. Push the envelope, go hi. My name is A, B, and C. This is what I'm doing. I need a car from you guys. Yeah, so for the PM and they'll give it to you. There are people I know about driving PM who are sponsored. Yeah, so now we'll push that envelopes. Trust that when we say it's a hardcore year. Now the good registered business, this is very important. Not registered business, Zandi and Bani's business. Pick something or someone from home that is closer to you. It could be your mom, it could be it could be someone closer to you. So that when you fail, it will make you feel like you're failing that person. So you're not going to let that business fail. Yeah. So that's how it works. My organization is called Novus. And whenever things happen, I have to get up and push. And the biggest mistake I've made is certificate Novus has been existing for I think 6-7 years. I've just realized now. But it's called the certificate. I had to literally, for the first time I use, I'm an actor. You have to, and then I had to use that, which is not good, but I had to use it with Babo and with time with Syria because Sabu used to get back to ISIS pay the card. When a motherfucker we call. I didn't know that. I had to find them and buy it as a job station. That's all caused it. So those are the things that matters us. When you register a business, in company with certificate. And it's a coquel and dialogue in a time coquel so $50 or something. So if you don't buy for the company or buy free, told you to me a kitchen and a certificate in your piece, you're humble and God the value. And message why Lumi said to nice for the funding, so if this is wrong, the whole thing stops. So those are the things that you must always go back home, book certificates up, which I said, before the year ends, quickly go change it. Uhambe lapho ucela kabe usho bekwenzela ipaperwork enje kuwele into yakho. Yabo. So I think that's where we are. And now put business like of it, feel free to market it. I mean, I was hoping Mangana and the brand keepers and companies, but you guys are not. Because there's a camera here. So when you're wearing your company, they can see, oh, ngisho uhamba ubhekele. Mina ngisala kwenza ikipa ngeza amaphara ngembo. They're going to be wearing the skipper 24/7 umjitanet. Hamba yonke indawo erenk. Uyangifunda emhlanje. No, so, yabo. So your branding is key. Dilete fish abantu abaningi kakhulu because Coca-Cola we all know it. But how you Coca-Cola kwenza ama-advertise? They make sure that in your face. Winter some Coca-Cola has promote. Now feel free to promote your business. Yabo. Singenile thina kunokuthi no cause isikala nesanga no cause sathatha leli day samhlayisa ku wheelchair sathi akenze show yakhe for 3 hours. Hey, aphuma emaphepheni lo nto abantu bethosa ukuthi leli day uhamba nge-wheelchair babejothile imali. And that's how marketing was. Saphuma sangena ku Metro, we did the same thing. Saphuma sangena ku Lotus FM, we did the same thing. Kakas, all those radio stations. So this year we're moving it up. Khona abantu babona abakhulu bamuya nge-wheelchair. Because that's how you brand your company. So push the envelope. Ungasabi futhi ukusho price perfect. Bandani bashaya ama price. Uyasabi ukusho price into yakho idayisa. Or uyasabi ucela imali oyifunayo. Feel free to say ngifuna $1,000,000. Don't be scared, ngifuna $1,000,000. Uzolenza lokho nalokho. Indicate how you're going to use it. In a project nesenze nomasipala omkhulu, bathi usemali ngifuna in terms of $5 million. But it's just the whole year. This year I want $5 million, next year I want $5 million, next year I want $5 million. But why am I tasked? And my body value to reason. Yeah. So now we stand up. So don't umuntu yasabu ushi price yakho. First imali in the phone yakho. First nakudayisela wona ungabona nawo. Awuzobona yakho nje first. Like $10 uzokhala. But imali enkulu futhi yabo. So always feel free to speak about imali yakho kufuna mali.
Yeah. Sure. Especially in something that we do because inkulumo yami is all about leveraging right now.
True.
Yabo. So probably our common spaces are many that talk about the organization type of information in terms of getting your Section 18A, getting your things straight organizationally, not corporately.
Yeah.
So ensuring what let's say now MTN ukhona and udinga usethi now how do you utilize it? Because mawusuka la siqhamuka khona, a lot of people don't open a business, they open organizations.
Yeah.
So there's a lot of people abastakile kuleyo process and abadinga ukwazi lo lwazi. So my question would be now, how flexible are you in leveraging the information that you share? Probably ngifuna ukujota into what ubudi is missing. How flexible are you in leveraging that information into your platform or probably visiting us or something like that?
In a proper term. Sorry to say this, but I have to say it.
Yeah.
We are all living in the matrix.
Yeah, true.
After tertiary, Bali CV, humble from seven.
Yes.
So when you speak of business-wise, when you speak of coming out of the shell, they'll rather lean back, complain, rather than jumping into Ngelemanzini. Yeah. So the information that you might carry or that you're looking for, not many people are ready to understand it. It's going to take time.
Yes.
Yeah, but why am I saying it's going to take time? As we speak right now, we're not looking at DSD. Am I saying it right? DSD. Well, I say, yeah, I think DSD. I didn't know DSD exists until I was in a space where I have to get in one DSD.
Yeah.
And le mali ngifuna twice ongena only funa incwadi ka DSD.
Yeah.
Yabo? Luckily the only thing that saved me was I phoned them a year before hosting event bangeza. Ngabafonela futhi ngidonate wheelchair bangeza. That was the only hold I had for them. Ukuthi mangifika khona ngithi ngani mema nina ngathi asenze event nangeza aningazi nama nginaza sazani. So noma kanjani nangeza la because I sent umphathi wena I sent everybody this.
Yeah.
So at the end of the day, they were forced to give me a letter because I didn't leave the office. I said, I invited you, new DSD. but I had to know about you to invite you. Nangeza, that means mangezanga kwi-event yami, that means you guys njengama-cancel. So there was a fight, but trying to hide asinike lo muntu uzoshisa nini. Because ngase ngikhipha ifoni ngiyabarecord. So back to your question. Tina njengoba sila, it's you sitting at home, understanding first ukuthi i-structure sakho sikuphi. If you can Google, sorry to use the term, if you can Google porn, or you can Google celebrities, go on your social media, do stuff. That means understand your craft and your business. If uzofuna ukwenza i-manufacturing, mhlambe wenza manufacturing of wheelchairs, how do I get a wheelchair before registering the company? Qala kanjani ukuthi ngiqala i-supply ye-wheelchair? Amasondo ngiwathola, insimbi ngizoyithola, i-rubber bulbs ngiwathola, the suppliers ngiwathola. Yabo? So before getting into starting that business, and siyeke lento ukuthi sifuna ukuplaga. I don't like that word. Aphethe umplaga. Uplaga ufana nomuntu ohlele ekhaya onikezwe umsebenzi engawufuna. Lo muntu bethiwa ngoshiswa ilanga ayofesa respect umsebenzi and you understand. Lo plagiwe uhlale lindele ukuthi usazoplagwa omunye umuntu. You won't understand even if the business fail. Uzothi ngizothola apha i-resource lapho ngizothola apha uzobhena umplaga. Kanti lo oshizilile will know the value of your 1 rand. Yabo, the money comes in, ngiyathatha ngiyasteka. When the business fail, ngiyakwazi ukujuluka. Yabo, mina ngihlale nginemali kodwa ngithatha 500 ngoba ecele ngithi ngizophila ngalo 500 ngifuna ukubona kuzokwenza kahle. And ngiphile ngawo 500 because I minus abantu abangenasdingo. I minus in traveling trips endaweni engenasdingo. Yabo. So back to you. I'm available to share all the information that you guys are looking for. If you guys are hosting a gig and you feel like Sweden can come through, I'll come through. So I'm always available to give back to the people that need us the most. Because I know the struggle is so so. But in the palace, stop thinking low of yourself. And if you can, make a friend with a white person. You need bloom. Trust me, you need. There's a space where you need bloom. But like literally, there are malls. That's when the activation go on, and you need to get in bloom. So feel free. I'm not supposed to Google Facebook. No, but try to get there. Feel free. Local practice, but your English must go in the flow because there's a space where and you have to speak. I'm proud of you to get it out. Straight. I'll teach you. I'm like, yeah, man, this boy. So feel free now to clear the car because there's going to be an opportunity that was on my corner. Like MTN gives you a space, and this guy's going to fund you. Like I never find out now to one assist card. They do this. The first thing on hear how you speak, how you stand, how you drop your thing, how you push into it. And if everything you speak in your hands are here, they will love you for days, because you keep it here. So you keep it here, you speak, you present your thing, do it. So take that information, but so if you have an event, if you don't remember, I'll come through. Anyone who call, I'm going to wheelchairs. If you want to come through, donate. Make your company look like they were part of this. So soon those for Mandela Day, be like, our company was part, and we take pictures. So wear your t-shirts, you come through, you hug around, and you now when Mandela Day, my company did this. If you know, so we give you that opportunity. If flea market buffet it's available, if you guys want to come through, Nigeza, put your banners and your stuff, make things happen. It's got us some Nigeza the opportunity to come through for free of charge as well being stand side. So yeah.
So you're giving a subscription from the people that are allowed to apply for free slots?
Depending but by Pataganja. Depending by Pataganja, but that's how business is. But never too layo, never hectare, none. Yeah, call competitive. If you sing, when you go make TV, 30 seconds you get so much money. But those 30 seconds you make so much money. In media, there's always doors open. Don't always think so much of like come with TV. These people that you pay behind, don't have a bone. They make so much money. bayiphilela impilo kamnandi bangena ngisho jointini noma inini ngoba akekho baziyo. Mina nje from ngoJuly ngiyashintsha because usibongile le Dlamini season 2 yaqala yavela, so I'm back on screen. So sengizothi ngiyadlula nje la ngisakwazi bengidla emva ecampus. Angisakwazi kuya rank yodla inhloko yabo. So if you want to get into TV, always find a space. If kwenzeka behind the scenes ushaya. Yeah, because not everybody's going to be in front of the camera.
Right.
So I hope ngizonibona kuma radio station interviews, ne?
When is your flea market?
15 August.
15 August.
Yeah, that's the time.
Okay. And then if you would have no register to be part of the flea market,
Yabo nje number yami don't message
Like
me
my
senyaka
page.
uzoyishiya number.
On your TikTok profile.
Yes. So they just feel free, come through and then we push. Nkulunkulu anibusise ningizwile. Love each and every one of you.
The actual price is actually 59 rand or 39 rand, but they put that red thing so that you think Wuti is actually special, but it's not. Play that game as well. It won't hurt because you're working so hard for your brand and you're giving something that's going to help that person gain something also. So just attract them to your business and just talk about the good things that they will have or what they will not have if they don't buy it. Okay, so I mean that's how we feel sometimes, Wuti. The majority feel Wuti. Abaya abantu they getting stuff because they know someone inside. But the truth is you won't be able to know everyone everywhere. Some of the things you just have to prepare yourself. Try to be a pro or pretend that you know what you're talking about. Like they say, fake it until you make it. You have to always be on your toes, pretending to be that CEO that you imagine in your head. Dress up like that person. Go and pitch. Walk in there like he was demonstrating there. Tell them what you want. I told a lady last month, she was looking for a quotation cater quip for her business. Apparently, NYDA is giving her an opportunity to support because she was doing this training. So, ofuna equipment got 200,000 to start a restaurant. So she was like, I need to know where to get this because someone told me I need to pay 300 rand. I said, no, go to Cater Quip. That's when you get a quotation. And when you walk there, don't go there and say, can I see a manager? Or I have this paper from CIPC, so I don't know how it works. Can someone help me with the quotation? They will never take you serious. And they will never see why they should help you. And that's how they come about to say, no, you know what? Come, 200 rand. And now you think, you know what? Just to solve the problem, let me just pay. But that's not how it goes. Because at the end of the day, you lose money. You didn't learn. Is the manager available, or are you the manager? Are you gonna help me? Like, be bold, right? Know your story. Jomubula Payana, they've never had your character before, so they need to pay attention to you. And after you left, they need to remember you. Okay? You are not being arrogant, but you're just sure about what you're doing. You're representing your business, your new life. Be excited about it. So you go in there, ask for the manager. I'm here my business is about to start, so I need to buy equipment. But I need to have a quotation of things that I want. So are you gonna help me? Are you the manager, or is the manager going for lunch or something? Can I wait for him? Can you call him to come? Like, have these polite demands. Don't give them a chance to doubt you, because at the end of the day, when you walk out of the door, you need to have what you're looking for in hand. In most places that we go into asking for services, we are so easily chased away. But no, come back tomorrow, and then now, and you go. Yes, now I'm talking to my friend. Hey, lapani yazi. It was amaspala nje yazi. They're so impossible. Abafuna ukusebenza. We always have something to complain about, but you forget ukuthi when you went there, did you pull a string to show a demand because you have a right to this? And if you don't get this, it's your kids that will suffer. So always put something behind you, what drives you to do this. And then when you go there, you will not give them any choice, but to give you what they want. politely but being bold. Okay? So that's how you're going to present yourselves, and that's how we're going to get money.
Capture the wider audience, not just in your local area. It can go from province to province. It can even go over these
Overseas.
borders. Yeah.
Right. Yeah. So I also do digital marketing, but my digital marketing is for marketing my online classes. So I market to nowadays. With AI in place, like we said, no business cannot go into digital marketing. Even if it's tomatoes from your garden. Now you can sell your tomatoes, design your own branding, put your own branding on your socials. You can even say that you've created this yourself. People will want to know how you did that, and people will be learning from you, something that you've done yourself. And people like to get that free information, hence you are saying plug me, plug me. Those things are always on social media. So even if ngaba inkukhu or amaqanda or tamatisi, when you have a growing platform, you can do a digital marketing and you can sell globally. So if let's say a group of people in Makaya buy peanuts, they're planting peanuts. That can grow from being peanuts to being a healthy snack. So you can sell peanuts alone. You can do a healthy snack. You can convert it into a peanut butter. You can do something else. But one product can give you so many products. And if you post that on the social media platforms where it's rightfully there in the right spaces, people will see, wow, I didn't know with just one product you can have so many things, but for you it's different income streams only from one project. I'm just talking about simple things that we all can do from Jala, and then you can actually convert it into something big. There's a lady from Eastern Cape. We had a class in Eastern Cape 2 weeks ago. We asked for 30 people, just like we asked for a small number here. And then we had, was it 120 people that came? We had to move from that space to a bigger venue because of so many people. But what was the most important thing that I took from there was it was young people that came out. And it shows young people are not just unemployable as people would say. They are kind of lost. They don't know what's working anymore because no one is modeling for them. No one like them shows them a way. They are hungry for knowledge. But because there's so much that is available to them which is not serving their purpose, so they just go into those easy ways. They in social media, they emaklabini, they in crime, in those wrong things, because la payana vele is quick cash, it's quick money. But when it comes to the core of how to become a successful entrepreneur, they want to know. Naturally, everyone wants to be successful. So I'm just saying that we had so much, and I was shocked to have so many young people in one room who wanted to know about business. Coming back to digital marketing, your social media has to make you money. Now you don't have to just be typing every single day. You're going to have tools that will do the work for you on AI. He talked about ChatGPT. We're going to get onto that quickly. Okay, so that is my information. That's the end of the presentation. I'm sorry I had to just juggle here and there, jump in and out because of the time. I don't want you guys to get bored and be hungry. We're just gonna close on that note. Can I have anyone who has any questions so far? Did anyone pick up something that you wanted to ask? Because I know I was rushing. Do you guys have anything that you want to ask?
Mangabe njengoba ngichazela indaba yokuregister kwaSiswala ukuthi ilula ngalolu hlobo futhi akukho imali eningi. Ake ngithi ngifisa ukuvula i-radio station. manje ngifuna ukuyiregister ekurejisteni kwami noma ngaba yiphi ikhampani angeke kunikoste imali enkulu noma ngivula ne-radio leyo kuyonikosta le mali uyidalula la.
It's organization and private company, or 3 options, I think. The other one, like a lot of people co-op, yeah, I think they give you those 3 options. So if your radio station is a group of you guys, but it's a private company, it's gonna fall under private company. The only issue, I might be wrong, I stand to be corrected if I'm wrong. The only thing is that maybe there's other organizations that will be involved because it's a radio station, it's in media. Like ICASA or SAPC, that maybe there might be some other registrations that you will have to do for your radio. But just to have that paperwork done to say this is your business or this is your organization, it costs only that amount to register it. I don't know if I'm wrong. Does anyone maybe have a different view to help out? But we will research that for you to help you. So, as we said, you use your AI to do your ads. I'm ready to start doing someone's website. Any champion, any Ichankiziyo, Ozibayo, you know what, I'm ready to have my website running today. We're just gonna do a demo. And if you want to keep it live, you can keep it live. But if you don't want it, then we won't publish it. You want to?
Yes, please.
Yes, you have a question? Yeah.
So, and the mark that's Dangi account that's in the register. So, if the AFMP, but if I find a business account.
Yeah.
So, and then the details.
Yeah. So to get your login details, if we apply Lewena in the first place, you have your email and your cell phone number. When you log in, it says forgot PIN or forgot password. Now click a corner. They'll send a password into your email and the OTP number on your cell phone. Okay, but if your cell phone has changed, it's no longer that one day. I think that's when you have to phone them. We can also see IPC in town. You can also walk in there. But if you have all these details, just go and say forgot password. They will send it to your email and you open it on your cell phone. Then you log in. Then this time, try and memorize your password.
Somebody, I'm 1,000. So engibuza ukuthi whenever sosifuna ukuzenzela thina kusesifundile ukuthi vele kumele sizenzele from now on going forward. So what can you do? Siqale phansi or sifonele yena futhi asinikeze ama login details siyakwazi ukuzenzela without umuntu asenzela, or what do we need to do lapho?
Do you want to do it for the same business that was registered before, or if you another one, you register another one on your own?
We just want leleli current, if ever sifuna edela thina sikwazi ukuzenzela thina on our own.
The thing is, you see IPC, if I am registering your business, it comes into my profile.
Okay.
So I go into profile yami. If you need some documents that you need to print, I have to go into my profile and print it for you. So I don't know what procedure you will have to do to ask them who should move that business from that person's profile to your one. But I think it's just that I've never come across that inquiry before.
Okay.
Maybe what can also help us is to just go and have a look kuleya dialogue yawasi IPC, because zikhona izindlela phana OBEE. If you forgot your documents, it shows you everything. So let me just quickly log in, and it was just for knowledge purposes, né?
Yes.
Then we're gonna do